Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So for today, I will present my presentation which in the title, The Impact of Bilingual versus English-Only Instruction on the Performance of Undergraduate Saudi Medical Science Students. So the introduction is, the background of the study is most of the university in Saudi Arabia is using English as the medium instruction of their study in Saudi University. Because of this, it can create the challenge for the students because most of the students are native Arabic. It can create challenge for the students because most of the students are native Arabic. So the researchers aimed to find out if bilingual instruction and English-only instruction can increase the performance and learning experience of the students in the biology in Saudi Arabia University. So the method that the researchers use is the quasi-experimental research. And the participants of this experiment is the 243 first-year students in lec- biology lecture, biology lecture. So, in biology lecture, the students are split into two types of group: the test group and the control group. The test group is given instruction in both Arabic and English, meanwhile the given the English-only instruction. While the and next is the procedure of the research is the pretest. First one, they conduct a pretest on the age groups, which is pretest. And next, after they done the pretest, the researchers or the teacher give the normal lectures or the biology lectures. After that, they conduct an immediate post test after the biology lecture. After that, they done a questionnaire for the student to answer it. So they can analyze the data with man-witness U test and also with the survey analysis data. So next is the result. The result of using the result is both of the group is improving. It is getting improvement in their study. But however, in the test group, they score significantly higher than the control group. So next is the survey also indicates that the result is also 86% of the reduced of the student stated that they felt less distracted when they when on the lectures when the teachers is tell them the material. And also they say and also 98% of the students that say they have better understanding with the bilingual bilingual instruction when the lectures is telling the material. Because of that finding was giving us an improvement of the each group each group. The researchers also explained that these findings with the cognitive load theory reduce the mental burden in the student, which they improve the comprehension from the student. Why? Because the student, when they teach the student with only English instruction, the students need to understand both of them at the same time, which the meaning from the English instruction, they need to understand the the lectures like the lecture 2 times hard than the bilingual instruction. Why? Because in bilingual instruction, they teach them with two language, their native language and English and foreign language, which makes them less which makes them work less than the English only instruction. But however, the limitation on in this research is only biological class and only male students in one university, and this is also a short-term study. So we finally come to the end. Is the conclusion. The study found that bilingual instruction was more effective than English-only instruction for first-year Saudi Arabic medical science students. The students who learn through both Arabic and English achieve higher post-test scores and demonstrates greater improvement in their academics performance. They also reported a better understanding of scientific concepts and experienced fewer distractions during the learning process. These findings suggest that allowing students to use their native language or their first language can support their furthermore than 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 tra- than makes them more than hinder it instead of replacing English. The first language can act as a bridge that helps students understand complex scientific content more effectively. Thank you very much. That's all from me. Wassalamualaikum.